Hello everyone, welcome to Mock Rank, and let us try to solve this problem from this topic called Surds and Indices. Read the problem, try to solve it on your own. Meanwhile, I'm going to solve it for you. Okay. The only prerequisite over here to solve such problems is you must be aware of what is going to be certain powers, right? Say for example, 2 is to power 1, say for example, 2 is to power 1 is what you know, what is the value? 2. What is the value of 2 is to power 2? That is 4. 2 is to power 3 is 8. 2 is to power 4 is 16. 2 is to power 5 is 32. 2 is to power 6 is 64. 2 is to power 7 is 128. 2 is to power 8 is 256. 2 is to power 9 is 512. 2 is to power 10 is, this value is 1024. This value is 512. What is the value of 2 is to power 11? That comes out as 2048. And hence what is the value of 2 is to power 12? That comes out as 4096. This value over here is 256. This one is 128. So these are the values that you need to know. You must be aware of what is going to be these values by heart. Second, you need to know what is going to be 3 is to power 1. You know what is the value, right? 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 is to power 4 is 81. 3 is to power 5, the value is 243. What is the value over here? The value is 81. Then we also need to know what is the value of 3 is to power 6, that comes out as 729. If you know these, your job will be very much easy. We also need to know what is 4 is to power 1. 4 square, we know what is the value, 16. 4 cube, 64. 4 is to power 4 comes out as 256. 4 is to power 5 comes out as 1024. 4 is to power 5 can also be written as 2 is to power 10. And what is the value of 4 is to power 6? This value is nothing but 2 is to power 12. So what is the value of 2 is to power 12? We have written over there, and that is 4096. You also need to know what is the value of 5 is to power 1, that is 5. 5 square is 25. 5 cube comes out as 125. 5 is to power 4. This value is 625. 5 is to power 5. This value comes out as 3125. So what are the values of 6 is to power 1? 6. 6 square comes out as 36. 6 is to power 3 comes out as 216. And 6 is to power 4 is 1296. If you know them, actually your job will be much more easier. 7 is to power 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. 7 is to power 3 comes out as 343. And 7 is to power 4 will be nothing but 2401. Now you must be wondering as to why am I writing these many values for you. Sometimes I'm writing 2 is to power up to 2 is to power 12. Sometimes I'm writing only 7 is to power 4. Why am I writing these? Because these are the most frequently occurred values. Say what is the value of 8 is to power 1? That is, 8 square is 64. 8 cube is how much? 8 cube is how much? 64 into 8. 64 into 8 comes out as 512, right? So that is how you need to know these values. Now for example, 8 is to power 4. You know the value of 8 is to power 4. 8 is to power 4 would be nothing but 2 is to power 12. 2 is to power 12, you have written the value, that is nothing but 4096. Now let us try to solve this problem over here. Since the bases are same in numerator, that is 243, should we add the powers? If we add these powers, what is that we are going to have? 0.13 plus 0.07. And let us try to simplify the base. This is 7 is to power 0.25 times, what is the value of 49? 49 is 7 square. So should we write it to be 7 square times 0.075 or 75, not 75. And 343 should be written as 7 is to power. Now you know what is the value. That is 7 is to power 3 times 0.2. Now the numerator becomes 243 is to power 0.20, and what is the denominator? The denominator comes out as 0.25 plus, now what is the value of 0.075 times 2 is 0.15, and this value will be 0.60, should be right, 0. And what is the value of 243? 243, if you see, is nothing but 3 is to power 5. 3 is to power 5, and 0.2 should also be written as 1 over 5, so that we can cancel out 5 and 5 from numerator and denominator. Now this value is 7 is to power 1. They will all be added and they would become 1. So should we say that numerator is 3 is to power 1 and denominator is 7 is to power 1, and the value comes out as 3 over 7. That is our answer. We needed these things, and that is how we could solve these problems very simply. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'll see you solving some more problems on surds and indices. Till then, bye bye and take care.